Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is February 28th, last day of February, hard to believe. Looking at our homework in math, pages 323 and 324, we are working on writing and solving inequalities. Make sure that you are utilizing your journal tonight because the notes give you a step-by-step process of how to handle or how to do the problems. If you do have any questions, make sure you come and see Mrs. Caprini or myself prior to school tomorrow, and you have your homework and your journal with you. In honors math, you're doing page 289 and 290. You're doing all of the problems except for 13C. In science, we've got homework tonight called classification practice. We also need to bring headphones for class for tomorrow. In social studies, we had our India quiz today, and for the most part, everyone did a very nice job on that. There is no homework in social studies. In language arts, there is no homework as well. And in literature, we have a vocabulary quiz tomorrow. Hopefully, you've been studying off of Quizlet, which is linked into your Google Classroom. It's the 23 terms from the book Surviving the Applewhites. Just as a reminder, all Blizzard bag number 3s are due next Wednesday, March 6th. If for some reason you do not do your work, you'll end up being credited with an unexcused absence from school that day. So if you have some truancy issues at this point of the year, you cannot afford to not do your Blizzard bags. That's it for today. Have a great last day of February.